Let's see. Well, hold it right there. Here, you can hold this. Yeah, right there. Just pull the water out.
No, it can't. No
Oh, stop. Huh? Mm-hmm.
No. No, it isn't.
No, it doesn't.
Ouch! 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 Ouch!
All done. Now we just have to put the other one back in, and then we'll be all done.
No! No!
Stop, Aiden. It's just the new one.
No! No! No!
Oh my goodness, it's not that bad. See, it's all in. Now we just have to put water in.
No, no. No, 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 no. Ouch! Ouch!
Move your hand and we're all done.
No, no, no.
Just have to put water in it so it doesn't come out. Stop. My goodness. Almost, if you just hold still. Hold still.
Mama.
Good grief, Aiden. Come on.
No. Okay. Open. Oh.
Yep, all done. Was that bad?
No.
Huh?
No. 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 No.
Was it that bad?
No.
Okay, that's what I thought. You ready to get up
No.
and put your shirt on? You ready to get up and put your shirt on? Okay, we'll sit up. Is it that bad? Okay, then stop crying.